Hello friends, welcome to my Hindi mathematics channel. Today I am going to share some information about BRICS Math. This is online mathematics competition for students from grade 1 to 12. I see lot of people not aware of this exam, so I prepared this video. Hopefully you will like. So we directly jump to agenda. So today agenda BRICS Math introduction, then who can register. Then we will discuss how to log in and register complete process. So I will go through how you can log in and register in this exam. Detail about the competition and then examination detail. So there are three round detail: preparatory round, trial round and main round. And some sample example. I will take some sample example. Those come in exam. And then question answer. So BRICS, maybe a lot of people you are aware of BRICS. BRICS is the 5 country group. They come together. There are headquarters in China. Its main objective are to cooperate between the member nation of development, education, provide financial assistance, support various project and infrastructure. So this type of activity, if any country want, they come together and support each other. So there are two other countries, Indonesia and Vietnam also add later. So there are total 7 countries in this BRICS. So they introduce BRICS math. So you can see this is the URL. You can directly, for example, India, you can type in .brickmath.com. Or other option, you can directly log into brickmath.com and you can select your country. So this exam for grade 1 to 12, all student can participate. And there are this 7 country: Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, Vietnam. So this country, all 7 country participant can register in this site and they can give the exam. Very important. Participant is completely free. Means there are no charge for this competition. It's fully free. You just go register and you can start your examination. And there are you can give exam in 7 language. For example, India. I am from India, so I can give the Hindi, or maybe I can choose English, or you can choose your local language. So there are 7 language available for this exam, so you can choose any language. So this is the basic detail about brick math. Then we will go to our registration process. So registration process is very simple. You go to login https://in.bridgemath.com. Then you can see this is for India. If you are from China, South Africa, that will change. Or you can directly log in brickmath.com and choose your country and then automatically redirect to your country URL. So this registration available for two group. Teacher also can register and parent. So what is the difference between two? So teacher can register for all student. For example, I am the grade 5 teacher and I have 30 student. I can register for all 30 student and I receive user ID password and then I can circulate to all class. Other option is parent. There generally we are register. So parent, there we can register for our child and we receive our user ID password. So if I click this sign up, then this is the next screen. So there are login screen and sign up screen. The first time we are here, so we not have user ID password. So we will go here. We can change our country here also if we want and sign up. And then later here down, you can select again your country. So for example, India, China. So you just select and then you go to continue. If you go continue, this is the next screen. There you can see registration of a parent of Brick Maths. So again here automatically country, for example, previous we select India, so it automatically come here. Then you can choose your language. By default is English. You can choose your local language, Hindi or Chinese, whatever you want. And then after this, it come to state or region. You can choose here your state, which state you belong to. Then if you continue, here your parent email ID and you can choose your password. This is the general, all the site we have this type of form, right? Then we have user ID and password. Then we go to our main screen. There we able to log in. This screen here you can type your user ID and password and sign in. If you sign in, you go to actual site. There you can register your child. If you have two child, you can add two child and you will receive separate user ID password for both. So mostly that user ID is generally 4-digit number like 1111 and then password. So it's very easy. So this is the registration process. So about competition, what is this competition? As I explained that for grade 1 to 12, anybody can register, and 7 country member, even they are in NRI there, and there are they can pass their mobile number, but they not receive any code and nothing, just simple verification and then registration. Participant, that is very important, completely free, there are no charge, and there are multi language, you can give any language, you can choose your language and you can give to your language. So mainly why BrickMath? BrickMath task empower student to develop out of the box thinking. So if you see their question, it is very good. I can see there are logical thinking question, and you should register this because I already registered my child and he is very happy. He is giving that exam. We will go next session. There you can see what type of exam is there, and he is very happy. So, and this is the international and locally, I mean, so both competition, locally and internationally. Locally means a competition within your country, and internationally, this within that 7 countries. Okay, we'll go to. So this is the why participation. I explained. Develop creativity among the children. The between competition develop logical reasoning skill to student. There are a lot of logical question. So this is the particular. If you see, there are nothing prerequisite. Your child very good in mathematics or he have good knowledge. Nothing. His logical reasoning is good. He can participate. And after this exam, all participation like teacher and student, they will receive certificate. Now we go to examination details. So there are 3 round examination. So this is the date. If you can see, first preparatory round, this already open because right now we are in June. So if you see April to June 19, this already open. You can register anytime. Just go and register. And this is the just practice exam. If you register and you can see, this is the generally practice exam. There are just that you can see 10 question, and what type of question come, that give the fair idea. Second round is trial round, that is start from July 21 to September 13 2020. This is I am discussing on 2020. So if you after this, if you go to trial round, that is similar to your main exam. So same type of question, same type of pattern, but you can give the multiple time. And for example, any case, if you watch this video later, maybe in August, September, then also you can register. They are not mandatory. Your child should complete this two first exam, trial round and probatory round. He directly come to main round. Only problem, maybe he not aware of what type of question come, but he can give the main exam. And this main exam is 60-minute exam, and your child give any date, September 14 to October 30th. Every year this is the main date. Generally this is start March, April, and between November and December. So this 6-7 month in between, they can participate, and then they go to check this site and they can register. Here, I want to mention one important point. If your child giving that exam, or particular he choose the 14 October, and he log in and he started the exam, so he should not disconnect in between. He should not close the window before completing this exam. Otherwise, they assume that your child completed exam and that automatically submitted. So you can guide your child about this. So this is the exam detail. Now we go to some examples. So what type of question come? So I took one example. This is the class 4 example. For example, this is the example there. You want to move the red bus from the parking lot to the road. So this is the road, and they ask your child to move some of the bus to move. So for example, if I go to this back and this bus here and this go up and this back and this two down and then my red bus go. So they should solve this and then done. Means this question is completed. Next question come. I see this question is very nice and there are mostly logical thinking. And other example we can see there are some frogs and in between there are some object. So they ask your child to jump that frog to that object without touching, and they should clear some of the puzzle. And there are one more example like water. There are three water jug they give, like 2, 3 and 4 liter, and they ask your child to divide in everywhere in 2 liter, because there are no measurement. They can't measure, right, 2 liter or 3 liter. So they should transfer here to there and they should divide in three part. So there are some, and there are one more interesting question I can see. Okay, there are two door in the main door. There are one door they mention 90 or 98, and other child they give some plus, minus, addition, and some number. So your child should move here to there, and it should bring to 90. If 90 equal to 90, door will open and your question is done. Then they can go to done and they go to next screen. So this is the examination detail examples. And now we go to next, who is the partner. So this is the main recognition and partner for this exam. So India, we can see Niti Aayog, the main our they have partners, and FICCI and ARIS. These are the partner of this exam. So this is the complete detail about this. You can go to site, you can just log in, register, and there you can see all the details. And immediately whenever your child got the user ID password, he just log in, he can give the exam. So I feel this is the very nice exam, completely free, internationally recognized. So uh, I recommend everybody, if your child you think so he can give the exam. So hopefully you like this all the details. If you like, please subscribe my channel. See, you can see below bell button. You just press bell. So if next year and some other exam I prepared this and I will share. So thank you. Dhanyavad. Bye.